Hello YouTube, welcome to Journey JavaFX. This is the first episode of season 1. I'm going to do a simple introduction of what we are going to do and why we are doing this. The first question is what? I'm going to demonstrate how simple to make a application by JavaFX with GUI. The graphic user interface. By saying with GUI, I mean we are going to use a GUI tool to design our application's user interface. I'm a Windows person, big fan of GUI. To see what I'm going to get while developing it is just a lot easier for me. About the content that we are going to work on in season 1 will be focusing on the basics. Only the core functions and the method to make the program work in the way we want. It's definitely not commercial grade or production level. I have to make this part clear. Question why? It's complicated. Every year I want to do something different. For the year 2022, I decided to post videos on YouTube. The idea wasn't new. I got a long time ago, but never really put it in action. But yeah, 2022, I'm actually doing it. So then the question becomes, what am I going to talk about? Right now, I'm planning on a rewrite of one of my tools that I use every day at work. It's kind of an organizer. You know, multitasking is kind of a norm nowadays. We're working on different subjects in the same time. So for myself, I really need a thing to organize the different subjects, to keep whatever the related files or data or picture or notes, whatever it is, in one place. So at a later time, if I want to follow up or do something about it, I will be able to find where I was. You know, this is the idea of the thing I want to make. But for this rewrite, I have some requirements. The main one is independent. By saying independent, I mean the tool should be like, you know, just copy paste it and run it. No any installation required. It must be portable. Ideally, I wanted just copy paste, no config, just go, right? This is the final goal, but being independent is the most important thing. And then it comes to the answer of this question, why we are doing this JavaFX thing. Based on my knowledge, I'm not a tool developer. I think making program is kind of one of my hobbies. Yeah, based on my own knowledge, I found Java is able to do it by utilizing the Open JDK, and everything could happen. You know, just copy paste the whole thing. It should run. All right. So yeah, I guess that's the answer for why. So for now, I'm going to show you the final product of season 1. All right, this is the preview of the final product from season 1. It's kind of a tool I made a couple days ago to manage all my YouTube content specifically. I'm gonna use this one as a dashboard throughout all the seasons. For each episode, we're gonna have something like this. It's all about the notes. You know, we have some title and we have some goal, and here is the working steps for the notes, something like that. And in the end of each episode, this tool will be able to save all the notes along with the files we just worked on in that episode. And then, you know, I saved them in a Google Drive shared folder, so you will have access to them for sure. All right. It's kind of my first video on YouTube. Not sure how this goes. It is a brand new journey for me. I hope you like my contents, and yeah, see you in the next one. Bye now.